A kickback is a type of negotiated bribery in which the recipient of the bribe receives a commission in exchange for their services. In most cases, the compensation, money, products, or services provided is arranged in advance. As opposed to one party demanding the bribe from another, the kickback differs from other types of bribery in that there is an implicit collusion between the agents of the two parties. The kickback's main function is often to persuade the other party to participate in the plan. Welcome to today's edition of Fraud Files. Today, we will be talking about the case of a homeowner in sobriety who received a 30-month prison term for a $4.5 million kickback scheme. To get all the details in this story, make sure you watch till the end. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to become part of this channel and click the bell icon to get notified of our subsequent videos. A Florida woman was sentenced to 30 months in prison for a scheme to solicit and accept illegal kickbacks and bribes in exchange for referring residents of her sober home to a drug rehab facility, which charged insurance companies $4.5 million for medically unnecessary drug testing and purported substance abuse treatment given to those residents. In accordance with court records, Marta Hipólite, 59, of Wellington, was the owner of Turning Point Sober Home Incorporated and a related marketing firm, through which she ran a number of sober living homes in Florida where people could live in a drug and alcohol-free setting while receiving treatment at substance abuse treatment facilities. Kenneth Chapman, the owner of Reflections Treatment Center, a treatment facility that claimed to be a licensed substance misuse treatment center, gave Hipólite about $254,000 in kickbacks and bribes, frequently disguised as management fees. Hipólite helped bring in patients from outside Florida who could be referred to RTC in exchange for kickbacks and bribes, as she mandated that residents of Turning Point Sober Homes travel to RTC on a regular basis in order to attend purported substance abuse treatment sessions and submit to urine drug testing. Chapman and others charged private insurers $4.5 million for substance misuse and bodily fluid testing for the residents that Hipólite recommended to RTC, even though the tests were medically unnecessary, not reimbursable, and not provided as promised. On January 25, Hipólite entered a plea of guilty to one count of conspiring to break the Travel Act. In 2017, Chapman admitted guilt to charges of money laundering, conspiracy to commit sex trafficking, and conspiracy to commit healthcare fraud. He was given a 330-month prison term, almost 27 years. The statement was made by the FBI's Criminal Investigative Division Assistant Director Luis Casada, Special Agent in Charge George L. Piro, and Assistant Attorney General Kenneth A. Polite, Jr. of the Justice Department's Criminal Division. The Greater Palm Beach Healthcare Fraud Task Force looked into this matter. The FBI, the IRS Criminal Investigation, the State Attorney's Office of Palm Beach County, the Florida Department of Financial Services, Division of Investigative and Forensic Services, the Amtrak Office of Inspector General, and the Department of Labor Employee Benefit Security Administration are among the organizations that make up the task force. The case is being prosecuted by trial attorney Gary A. Winters of the National Rapid Response Strike Force of the Fraud Section. And here we come to the end of today's episode of Fraud Files regarding a homeowner in sobriety who received a 30-month prison term for a $4.5 million kickback scheme. Please subscribe to our channel and push on that like button. Stay tuned to our channel for amazing videos like this one by clicking the bell icon. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below about this event. We'll see you in another Fraud Files soon.